Hello my dears, welcome to this new topic where we'll be learning HLOOKUP my dears. Okay, so what is HLOOKUP, how it works, I'll be telling you in detail. Okay, first of all, if you see the data here, what's the data here? See, as you remember in the Vlookup series, the employee name is in a vertical form. Okay, and the basic DA, HRA, OT and gross income was in the horizontal form. Okay, but here the data is reverse. Employee name is horizontally, employee name is mentioned horizontally, and the salary backup is mentioned vertically. Okay, so there is a change in the data. Okay, but how will you understand? See, I have changed the data. Okay, but after seeing the data, how will you understand whether we have to use VLOOKUP, whether we have to use HLOOKUP? Okay, there is one basic thing, one major, very important thing. On the basis of that, you will understand in a second. You will understand by seeing the data. You will easily understand like this in second whether I have to use HLOOKUP or whether I have to use VLOOKUP. Okay, first of all, you have to find out. Don't look at the data. First of all, you have to find out what is my lookup data. Okay, on the basis of what I have to find out the data. What I have to do analysis. So here it has mentioned Pooja Bhatia. So Pooja Bhatia is my lookup value. On the basis of this, I have to get the other data. Okay, so what is my lookup value? Pooja Bhatia. Okay, that is my employee name. Okay, so Pooja Bhatia, according to the Pooja Bhatia, I have to get all the data. So what is my lookup value? Pooja Bhatia. So first of all, you have to understand, you have to identify what is my lookup value. After identifying the lookup value, that is in this case Pooja Bhatia, you have to see whether the lookup value is in a vertical way or in a horizontal way, like this, or in a horizontal way. Okay, if the data, if your lookup value is in vertically like this, lookup value like this, so you have to use VLOOKUP here. VLOOKUP, the full form of VLOOKUP is vertical lookup. Okay, and the full form of HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup, like this. Okay, like it will run from here to here like this, and VLOOKUP will run like this. Okay, so if your lookup value is vertically in the form of vertical like this, names are like this, vertical, Pooja Bhatia employee name is there. So if your all the employee names are mentioned vertically, okay, you can blindly use VLOOKUP. If your employee name, lookup value is horizontally mentioned horizontally like this in the columns, then you have to use HLOOKUP here. Okay, simple. That's the best trick. Okay, no one will tell you, my dears. I am telling you. If the lookup value is vertically mentioned, simply VLOOKUP. If the lookup value is mentioned horizontally, HLOOKUP. That's the basic thing. Very important thing. Remember this thing. Don't forget, my dears. Okay. So let's start. First of all, my dears, as we did before in so many times, we have to do data validation. We have to make first of all like validation list. Okay, data validation. Select here, go to data validation. Select here list. See, here also we have list. Before we selected the list like this, but we have list like this now, like this. So this is also called as list only. Okay. Click on source. See, before we selected the data from here to here. Now we'll select the data from here to here in the columns. Okay. Click on source. Select the data from here to here. Okay. Click on OK. See, now we'll get all the names from Mahesh Ahuja to Sandeep Ahuja. See, we got the names. Okay. Now here comes HLOOKUP. Okay. As we identified that Ramesh Singh is in the horizontal way. It is not mentioned vertically, it is mentioned horizontally. So we have to use HLOOKUP. Okay, blindly use HLOOKUP. That's the most important thing I told you. Don't forget, my dears. Is equal to HLOOKUP. It's my lookup value, this is my lookup value. Okay, fix that lookup value because we don't want to change. That's my table array. From here to here, this is my table array. Okay, fix this one also because we don't want to change this also. Comma, what is your index number? See, here you have to understand. In the VLOOKUP, there was column index number. If suppose this is your column 1, so from which column you want data? So we used to count from 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want from 4, we used to give as a 4. Okay. But here what is happening? It is asking row index number. VLOOKUP asks column index number. HLOOKUP asks row index number. This is row, my dears. This is columns. This is rows. Okay, so it's asking row number, row index number. It's asking row index number. What is my row index number? From which row we want the data? Okay, so what is the row number here? What is the heading here? Basic. We want the basic data. What is the basic? If this is first row, this is second, right? As in the columns we selected that this is first. If it's the first column, this is second, third, fourth, fifth. Same like that. If this is the first row, this is second. Okay, we have to give 2, 0, bracket close, enter. See, we got the data. But when we drag from here to here, we will get the same data. Okay, so what we'll do, we will keep columns formula. Okay, as I told you earlier, to make it more dynamic. Columns, select 2 from here to here because we need 2 data. I mean, we want answer as a 2. Okay, don't see here, you will get confused. See there in the formula bar. Select it. Okay, press F4 because we have to shift the first one. Fix the first one. Okay, bracket close, 0, enter. Now just drag it, my dears. See, you got the data. Amazing. With the amazing here is 7231, 2239, 636, 332, 332, 13 760, 1342, 12418. See, on the basis of my data, just one click, our data is getting updated. See how our data is getting updated. Now, if you want to make it more dynamic, like we did the dynamic VLOOKUP as we did with the offset, you can practice here also. You can do the, you can make the dynamic HLOOKUP also. It depends upon you, man. Okay, I won't tell you because you have to practice on your own. When you understand VLOOKUP, understand dynamic VLOOKUP, and understand HLOOKUP, then you can easily make it dynamic, man. You will automatically make it dynamic. Then you don't need any reference. You don't need any video reference. You will use offset in the data validation list. You will make it dynamic. You will make it HLOOKUP also very dynamic by selecting all the rows and columns. That's simple, man, dears. Okay, it depends upon you, how you understand the concept, how you clear your concept. Okay, that's why I told you, clear your concept 100%. That's why become master, my dears, become master. Don't simply learn. I have designed this course for you to become master. Okay, don't simply learn, my dears. Okay, then if you see here, what happens is my task gets over. Okay, this is my last topic. Extra data for dynamic I have used in dynamic VLOOKUP, and practice choose, that's for you to practice choose there. Okay, so this is my last video, last lecture for HLOOKUP. So my task is over here. So now your turn comes here. Okay, my task is over here. Now your turn comes here. What you have to do, as I taught you like a master, now it's your turn. You have to practice like a master. Okay, when you practice like a master, you will become master. You will automatically become master. Okay, become the master like, my dears, as how I am teaching you. Okay, you also become the master like this. So you can teach in your office. Okay, you can tell anyone. If somebody is getting stuck anywhere, or your boss is stuck at some place, if he is not able to understand the Excel, how he's working, if he's getting wrong answer, you can go and you can help him. Okay, then you will automatically your self-confidence will increase, your name will also increase, my dears. Okay, you will your value will increase to your company. Okay, my dears, in front of your boss your value will increase, in front of your colleagues also your value will increase when you will become master of all these formulas. Because I told you all these big formulas, they are very powerful formulas, my dears. See, there are others also, small formulas. If you understand these formulas, no, that are nothing. If you once see, no, you will understand. So up to then, enjoy, do musty, and say with me, yo, we kissing. Bye, my dears.